Hello friends, my name is Jaspreet Singh. Today I am showing you how to install security system in Honda Activa 3G. In my previous video, I am showing working of security system in Honda Activa 3G. If you cannot subscribe my channel, then click on subscribe button for my more videos. My Activa 3G. Firstly, I show you component of security system. I am purchasing this system online. This is the user guide. This is called Viper. This is tool mode for controlling security system. Connector wires. This is main thing. Controller, thief card controller, which control all system. Now I am showing you how to install security system in Activa 3G. You can see, firstly I am removing the cabinet of scooter, and the second one I am removing the head of scooter. You can see two color yellow wires which are connected to the left side indicator and another one right side indicator. One yellow wire connected with sky blue wire and another one connected with orange wire. Now I am showing you another wires which I connected in scooter. You can see red wire connected with battery positive side and black one connected with battery negative side. I installed controller with Viper in scooter with the help of connector. You can see this is fuse. Orange wire goes to flasher in scooter. Gray wire is a spare wire. Now the security system is properly installed. You can see the working of security system. You can see the indicator of scooter is also working. Front or back, you can see indicator sign is also working. This is lock key and this is unlock key. This is siren. If you can touch scooter when you lock your scooter, then the beep, the siren. Thanks for watching this video.